Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Again, this is Anything Adulting, a channel where we talk about life hacks, life in general, or anything adulting. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So guys, itong phone ko ngayon, ito yung ginagamit kong iPhone 17. Hindi naman sa hindi ako makamove on. It's just that I wanna share my thoughts kung bakit iPhone 17 ang binili ko, hindi Pro Max and hindi yung Pro. Now, I would also like to share with you guys na the reason why ito yung binili ko, it is because, syempre, value for money. Out of all the iPhones released last September 2025, ito talaga yung swak na value for money. This specific unit, iPhone 17, 256GB baseline model, is yung sulit na sulit. Bakit? Kasi if you're like me, again, na ang use lang sa'yo ng iPhone is like for basic photography, basic videography, basic social media navigation, occasional gaming, okay na tong iPhone 17. But again, with all means, if you have the money to buy the iPhone, 17 Pro, Pro Max, with all means, syempre, buy the, flagship one, yung best being offered out there. But again, if you're on a budget and you're looking for a phone that is, within the range of the price ng iPhone 17, this would really be a great option for you. Now, the reason why I bought this iPhone 17, it is because I would like to really utilize yung feature ng camera because I won't suggest this phone to someone who have productive lifestyle, or let's say for example, I won't suggest this phone to someone na walang other gadgets aside from a phone. Kumbaga, hindi ko isa-suggest ang iPhone 17 if you're looking for a phone that will be your all-in-one device through your work, through personal, social media, content creating and stuff. This is not the best phone that you can get. Most probably you can get the Pro and Pro Max. So if you are looking for an all-in-one device phone na talagang hardcore user ka ng phone mo, you bring it anywhere, talagang yung pinakamagaganda na yung bilhin mo. But if you are like me, who's just using an iPhone for basic photography, basic videography, basic aesthetic accessories, kasi marami ka talagang accessories na pwedeng gamitin kay iPhone. Pero if you're like me na you have your iPad, I have my iPad Pro, I have my Android phone on the side, and you're just wanting to have an iPhone for a good camera quality and good performance, iPhone 17 definitely will be able to suffice yung needs mo sa phone. This just to give you an idea kung ano ba talaga yung inyong phone na gustong bilhin. This is like a little bit buying guide doon sa mga taong gustong bumili ng iPhone ngayon. So ako, I would suggest na if you are eyeing to buy an iPhone, but you bought your iPhone again previously, like your iPhone 14, 15, 16, I wouldn't suggest na mag-iPhone 17 kayo. Kasi for me, Apple products do really goes a long way. I had my 11 Pro Max, as I have mentioned to my previous videos, for 5 years and 11 months, almost 6 years. Works perfectly fine. Phenomenal. Wala akong problema kahit sa battery. The reason why I upgraded it is because I felt like I have saved enough. And it's time to upgrade because yung 11 Pro Max ko is only for 64GB. So technically, wala ka na rin talagang mailalagay doon. But again, I'm creating this video for those folks na gustong bumili ng iPhone 17. And one of the features na gusto ko sa iPhone 17 is I'm actually recording this video holding my phone in portrait mode, but meron na siya nung landscape. So updated na rin talaga yung camera ni iPhone 17. Now, bakit ito yung sinasabi kong best phone or iPhone that you can get if you are eyeing to upgrade? It is because very small differences lang ang meron ito sa ating mga Pro and Pro Max models. I'll give you an example. So again, yung ating screen is already having 120Hz refresh rate ProMotion. So ibig sabihin, it's the same with the 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Your selfie camera also do have the square sensor, which you can take a group selfie in landscape mode while holding your phone portrait. 18 megapixel, same with 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Ngayon, yung camera nito sa likod, dalawang 48 megapixel camera, wala lang kayong optical zoom na available sa 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. And also, one of the key features of this phone is, ang wala lang naman kasi sa phone na ito is yung vapor chamber na makes your phone a little bit more cooler if you're using it hardcore. And obviously, syempre, yung mga pro features ng camera, yung pro resolution, na napakalaking kumain ng, kumain ng memory. Why do I know? Because I also have friends who's using a pro phones, like 15 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max. My brother is using a 16 Pro Max, and now I upgraded for the 17. So the people keep on asking me, why did you bought the 17? Why not go for 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max? First, again, this is not my all-in-one phone. Meaning, I have my iPad Pro, I have my Android phone. I am really into tech. That's why for those people who's just looking for a buying guide, pero hindi nyo na alam yung mga 120 Hz screen refresh rate, yung mga chipset and stuff, no? Hindi nyo ma-appreciate yun. Pero as a tech guy myself, I'm not too savvy, pero gusto ko lang talaga yung mga analytical side ng mga bagay-bagay, is I just really like yung camera ni Apple. So if I would to buy an all-in-one device that I will be using and bringing every single time, I would definitely go with the Pro and Pro Max. But again, if you have your other devices to lurk around social media, to play around, I would probably suggest you just get the 17. It will be the most value for money that you can get out there. So if you will be searching not just this video in YouTube and stuff, no, marami talaga diyang makikita kayo na wala ka talagang talo sa base model iPhone 17. Why am I saying base model ng iPhone 17? It is because kung ikaw ay magbibili ng iPhone 17 and you will be buying a 512GB of iPhone 17, I would suggest get the 17 Pro because almost the same price na siya, you know. So, ayun lang naman, I hope this video makes sense to someone who's looking for a sign to buy the iPhone 17, who's looking for a guide to buy the latest iPhone offered out there. And I'm also a firm believer, get your iPhone 17 with the best promo that you can have out there with your credit cards, with the merchants, Apple, authorized resellers out there. And yeah, you have a happy day.